If you want to work faster in Excel, here's a shortcut that will blow your mind. Press Ctrl plus T and watch your boring range turn into a smart dynamic table instantly. Why is this a game changer? It gives your data a clean, professional look, no extra effort. Tables expand automatically when you add new rows or columns. Sorting and filtering? One click and done. And the best part is the formulas become crystal clear with column names instead of messy cell references. This isn't just a shortcut, it's your productivity superpower. So stop wasting your time and convert your range into a table today and make Excel work for you easy. Please follow for more smart Excel hacks.